En el viejo San Juan. Mira que guau, güey. Ok, ok, vamos a meternos por esta calle. Ahí me va ese carro. Aquí estamos en el viejo San Juan. De la calle Sol. Calle Luna, calle Sol. Es un clásico. Salsamos en Soul Street. En Colonia Old San Juan, Puerto Rico. This is a beautiful, quiet street. You can see some of the houses have been renovated here. And mostly rental, a lot of them Airbnb locations that investments club, partnerships, limited liability corporations buy run down houses and then they fix them up. So and they rent them out to be Airbnb, sort of. So charge it again. So aquí en la calle Sol, explorando. A lot of see all these parking spots here, they all reserved for residents of Old San Juan. In other words, you have to have a sticker on your car that qualifies your car has to be able to park here. So the fine is like $300 something like that if you not a resident you park in one of the streets here. It's a high fine. It's like $300. It shows you to see how they look and stuff. So that's why you find empty spots here, because it's pretty foolish to risk a $250 fine because you can park and they're paying parking lots here that are pretty cheap. You can park on $4 or $5. Okay. This one, I'm going to go up and then come down again. So again, Soul Street here, San Juan, la calle Sol, en el viejo San Juan. Is Calle de la Cruz, Street of the Cross. You know what? I may turn on the next one. Actually, esa que tiene que haber doblado. Tarde ya. Okay, see that white car down there? That's a calle. Okay, I'm turning down. Voy por aquí. See, on the other one, there must be a lot of traffic because the streets have to be closed. Whoa.